Let's look at final exam question number 85 in Electronics Demystified 2nd edition. If you have the printed book, you'll find this question on page 436 along with figure exam-14, which also appears on page 436 right above the question. I recommend that you watch the video for question number 84, which asks us what this thing is, and I describe a little bit about what it does, and then from there extrapolate what it is. This thing, this block diagram that we see, shows a simplified rendition of a computer modem, a modulator demodulator. The input data is demodulated for the computer, and the data going out of the computer is modulated and goes back into the line, the fiber optic cable, the television coaxial cable, or in some antiquated situations, the telephone line. It can also go into the wireless airwaves. I didn't mention that in the previous video. There are all kinds of media that can be used for this kind of a system, but the most common, I think, in my part of the country, the Black Hills of South Dakota, is the fiber optic network that leads to cables going into the individual dwellings. So this is a modem. This question is asking us, what does this box right here do? What is this thing for? Well, as I described in the previous explanation and briefly here, the data going in has to be demodulated. This data is analog data. It comes in, it's demodulated, converted into digital data for the computer. Then the digital to analog, or D/A or DA converter, converts the signals back into analog form to go out. So that is what a modem does, and this particular box right here is an analog to digital converter, which we might abbreviate like that. An analog to digital converter right here. So the correct choice for this question is D.